Setup, man.
So here's what we've got. Here's the motor, and we'll get to the bottom of it. We're going to get this all rebuilt. However, so the piston broke off a piece there, right? That's where it popped off. If you switch to this side, it cracked there, and it also cracked here and all the way down. Like that piston just, that piston just failed. That's all it is. So everything else looks good here. Have to get new cylinder, new pistons. Probably, if we can, replace the con rods. But everything else looks good. And hopefully we'll have Humpty Dumpty back together again fairly soon. And we'll do some video of that at some point. But yeah, that is crazy. I would not have expected that. So that piston, yeah. So I don't know if there's an inclusion there or what it was, but it broke. Yeah, that side it didn't break where that little machined part is. But it did go there. So who knows? This side might have gone first, and then that weakened it, and then it snapped over there. But that is just crazy. And you can see that little hairline crack going down there. Would not have expected that. And there's the piece that came out. So, yeah, still don't know why. Yeah, we'll try and figure that out. But that's the update. So we're going to go ride some Triumphs today, so stay tuned for that.